Got dirty, worn-out white shoes? Don't throw them away just yet. Use Caffrey. Today we're bringing them back to life, using just 2 powerful shoe care products from Caffrey. Meet the Caffrey Premium Shoe Cleaning Set and the Ultra White Shoe Polish. A perfect combo for cleaning, restoring, and whitening your shoes, especially ideal for sneakers, canvas, suede shoes, and all kinds of footwear. Inside the cleaning set, you'll find a soft microfiber towel, a concentrated cleaning solution, and a gentle but effective cleaning brush. This combo is designed to remove built-up dirt without damaging your shoes, safe for all materials, from mesh to rubber. Dip the brush in the water. Just a few seconds are enough. Then add drops of solution to the brush and start scrubbing the shoes. This step lifts off deep-seated dirt, mud, and grime that basic wiping can't handle. It's perfect for regular cleaning or reviving sneakers that have been through a lot. Once you're done scrubbing, use the microfiber towel to wipe off excess dirt and foam. This leaves your shoe fresh and clean, ready for the final whitening touch. Let the shoe air dry for a few minutes or wipe the water out. Now let's bring back that bright white finish. The Ultra White Shoe Polish is made to restore color and brightness, especially great for discolored areas, scuff marks, and yellowed soles. Apply evenly using the built-in applicator. One smooth coat is all you need. Wait just 10 minutes to let the formula set and activate. This is where the magic happens. You'll start to see your shoes brighten up right before your eyes. And here's the result. From filthy and forgotten to clean, bright, and ready to wear again. All done at home, no expensive cleanings needed. Get your shoes looking brand new again with the Caffrey Premium Cleaning Set and Ultra White Shoe Polish. Clean, white, fresh. The Caffrey way. Shop now.